Today, I'll show you how to create a sales quote in manager.io. If you're managing a business, you know how essential it is to send precise and professional quotes to your clients. Using manager.io for this task can streamline your process and ensure that you're presenting your potential customers with all the details they need. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to efficiently set up and generate a sales quote in manager.io from scratch. Let's get started. Begin by opening manager.io and looking at the left-hand navigation column. You'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom of this column. Here, you'll find the Customize option. Click on it to access a list of all available modules within manager.io. This is where you can tailor the software to better fit your business needs by selecting the features you want to use. As you scroll through this list, keep an eye out for the Sales Quotes module. Once you've found it, you'll notice a selection box right next to it. Go ahead and check this box to enable the Sales Quotes feature. This is a crucial step because it activates the module, allowing you to start creating sales quotes for your business. After you've checked the box next to Sales Quotes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Update button. This action saves your changes and ensures that the Sales Quotes module is now active and visible in your navigation menu. It's important to always remember to update your settings after making changes, as this confirms that your adjustments are applied correctly. Now that the Sales Quotes tab is visible in your left-hand navigation menu, click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your sales quotes. You'll notice a new sales quote button. Clicking this button is your next step, as it allows you to initiate the creation of a new sales quote. This is where the magic begins. With the new sales quote screen open, it's time to populate it with necessary information. Start by filling in the customer details. This typically includes the customer's name and any relevant contact information. Having accurate customer information is vital for both professional communication and record keeping. Next, you'll want to complete the header information. This part of the sales quote usually contains the quote number and date, and possibly other relevant details, depending on your business requirements. Properly filling out the header ensures that your quote is organized and easy to reference. Once you've entered the customer and header information, it's time to add your line items. These are the specific products or services you're quoting. Enter each item along with its description, quantity, and price. This part of the quote is crucial because it outlines what exactly you're offering to the customer and at what cost. Finally, set any financial parameters that might be required. This could include taxes, discounts, or any other financial terms that apply to the quote. Being precise with your financial parameters ensures that your customer knows exactly what to expect, which helps in building trust and transparency. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Double-checking your work helps avoid any misunderstandings or errors that could impact your business relationship with the customer. That's it! You've successfully created a sales quote in manager.io. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and send out professional quotes, keeping your business operations smooth and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy quoting!